So what do we have today?
A baby live baby.
Yeah, show them what it looks like.
Toys and Kiki. Hi guys.
So what do we have today?
A baby live baby.
Yeah, show them what it looks like. Turn it around. So we are going to unbox a baby alive. And it says it has this one is the magical mixer. There's a spoon.
There's a diaper.
There's diapers there. There's the baby, and there's the bottle. And these packets right here, those are the baby's food. And that actually works. See? This blender actually works. So we are going to take it out of the box.
Hi guys, look at the blender actually works.
It does! Wow!
My mommy's gonna take the baby live out from the box. My mom just took all the stuff out from the baby live box.
So what's in the box? What did we take out first?
Blender.
Yeah, we got a blender.
A baby bottle. And then the powder. And a spoon. And diapers.
How many diapers?
2.
Yeah.
And a comb.
Yes, and of course the...
Baby alive.
Yeah, and look at her dress. What are on the dress?
The pineapple is banana.
Yeah, let's bring it closer. Yeah. So the print is what, like, there's some
My mom
pineapples.
looks like a real one.
Oh yeah, and bananas. Wow. So we're gonna play with this baby alive. She has green eyes. And yeah, look at, she has green eyes. She has green eyes and brown hair. Like Kiki. Kiki has brown hair too. Yeah, see? Wow.
Now it's Peter.
Okay.
Don't miss the video. I need to take care of this baby.
Yes, don't miss our video because we will play with them.
A baby live baby.
Yes. All right. We'll see you next time.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.